Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4. Today I decided to take you with me on my journey cleaning my apartment again with me. It's Christmas approaching time. It's a deep cleaning with me today. Yeah. So I can decorate my apartment as well and get this vibe of Christmas, because outside is not a vibe at all. It's 30 degrees, no snow at all, at least at home, to feel the Christmas vibe. That's what we're going to do today, but first I just want to have fresh juice. I'm not doing it normally, but as long as we are having a cleaning apartment day and we need to be motivated, I have to clean every single piece, every single corner, and it will take me entire day or even two.
Well, I loved this glass so much and it doesn't look good anymore, but anyway. So this is the current situation right now. We need to get rid of a lot of stuff right here. I will start from this kind of area. I will remove everything. I'll check what is inside of there. We'll fix something in here. Let's start.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We will make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity between us. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We will make a sound. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Under the frozen light, we are a picture with 1,000 nights. We won't come down, 'cause we shine so bright.
So it's getting late and I'm done with my bed. Then I'm done with this area as well. I added the books out there. Xbox I put here because I'm not using it right now. So I think books are more important to stay here. I can read more often than I usually do. So let's move to makeup. So this is my area. My candle, my wine, perfumes, flowers, teddy bears, and makeup. Makeup is just right there. And my stock market, and pretty much that's it. I'm so tired. So I just finished cleaning my apartment. It took me like 5 hours and I'm so that tired. Anyway, I'm going to watch a horror movie with a friend of mine and I can't wait to go tomorrow and make decoration shopping spree, Christmas decoration shopping spree, kind of this way. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, as always I'm saying, and until then, see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye.